profile picture on your eBay application. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you today how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you need to go and open your eBay application like this, and after this you should go to this three line at the top of the screen, then open your profile right here. And what's next, you have just click on edit profile. You will find your profile here, click on this pen icon, and for example choose your photo. For example, I want to just take a photo like this. It will open on your camera, allow, and for example I will choose like camera and take picture like this and click done. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.